Hello everyone, welcome to yet another trade breakdown on EU. We're gonna start off again with the daily time frame and we're gonna see what we've got there. Now, if you haven't watched the breakdown that I uploaded before this, then you should watch that one first and then come here and watch this one. So, moving on to the breakdown, right here on the daily time frame, you can see that we've got this bullish dealing range right here. Inside this dealing range, we've got multiple key levels in the form of discount and premium key levels, right? This premium key level right here in the form of this order block only offered a retracement or a small reaction, whereas this key level in the discount region offered a complete reversal because we are in a bullish dealing range and now price has rebalanced the whole range by testing a discount key level, right? And now it can continue going higher towards the drawn liquidity. Now remember the chapter about dealing ranges, what I said in that chapter about how price react to key levels based on their position inside dealing ranges and expansion swings. What I said in that chapter is if we are in a bullish dealing range, then premium key levels would only be able to offer a retracement, whereas discount key level would offer reversals or higher time frame expansions, and that's exactly what happened here. So right here, what happened is that we came back down to this discount key level during Thursday price action, right? Now, my drawn liquidity for the first half of the week was this discount key level in the form of this daily FVG. And now price has reached that drawn liquidity on Thursday, and now we can expect a reversal from here. The reason I and you're gonna expect a reversal in this case is, first of all, a discount key level has been tested, right? And the dealing range as a whole has been rebalanced, meaning we've retraced back to the equilibrium, and now that range or the dealing range has been rebalanced, and now price can go higher. And also along with that, it's the first week of the month and we've got NFP, right, which is a red folder high impact news event which will act as a catalyst to drive price higher towards the higher time frame drawn liquidity. So based on this framework, I expected Thursday to form the low of the week. Now for the first half of the week, our high of the week was Monday because Monday tested a key level, and that stayed true for the remaining rest of the week until Friday, because now Friday has NFP, right? As I said in chapter 8 about weekly profiles, I said that weekly profiles are dynamic and adjustable, which means that they're gonna change based on price action of previous days and based on how price reacts to key levels inside dealing ranges. And now that price is reacted to this discount key level inside this bullish range, I expected the Thursday weekly profile from here, and that's exactly what happened here, right? So my drawn liquidity in buys, my daily buys after this key level was tested, turned bullish, and my drawn liquidity was then higher. So you can see that the daily objective has now been accomplished, right? I have determined my drawn liquidity which is higher, and I've determined my daily bias which is also bullish, right? I'm gonna go down to the 4-hour time frame and try to find a CRT there and position myself in that CRT and then potentially trade it on the lower time frame. So moving over to the 4-hour time frame, right here you can see that we expanded lower on Thursday towards this discount FVG, right? Inside the whole bullish dealing range. And we tested it on Thursday. Now we know that after an expansion test a discount key level, the only outcome is a reversal profile, right? But obviously we have to first position ourselves in a CRT, and only then we're gonna take an entry. And another thing is that price tests this key level during Thursday. So based on that, we can expect a Thursday reversal weekly profile here. So we've added another factor which can act or which can assist us in our analysis. Now what happened on Thursday here is that we've got this candle right here, and this candle closed just above this key level, and this is the 1 a.m. candle, right? So I took this candle as a CRT and I decided I'm going to trade it on the lower time frame. I waited for this CRT to be purged and the key level to be tested, right? And then I expected a reversal from here. Now let's move over to the 15-minute time frame and let's see what we've got there. So right here on the 15-minute, you can see that the weekly candle, the daily candle opened here, and straight away it went into a ranging profile. And with this ranging profile, we tested a key level in the form of purging this CRT high, right? So right here you can see that during the Asian session, we already tested a key level, right? So now during London Open, we can expect a delayed protraction intraday profile because key level has already been tested, and now we don't need to have any manipulation profile, and we can expect London Open to expand straight away without any manipulation profile whatsoever. And you can see that's exactly what played out here. Now also during London Open, you can see that with this delayed protraction expansion, we came down lower and we tested a discount key level in the form of the daily FVG, and we reached the drawn liquidity, and the higher time frame drawn liquidity has been now met, right? So based on this, we can expect New York to be a reversal intraday profile, right? Because the drawn liquidity is now being reached, the daily objective has been met, and now we can expect New York to be a reversal profile. Another thing is that I also took my entry here during the London lunch, which is from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Eastern time, right? The reason I expected a reversal during this particular time is because when a higher time frame significant key level like this daily fair value gap is traded to during a key time like London lunch, it most likely results in a reversal, right? In a reversal profile. And that's why I had conviction in this trade idea and traded it. I waited for a model 1 entry here, and as soon as we got this entry set up right here and we formed this new order block, I put my entry at the order blocks open with my stop loss below the order block low, and I targeted the 50% of the CRT, right? This was the trade breakdown.